Hi, in this video we will see how we can blend multiple images together using Canva. In this video I will show you how to blend two images, but if you are interested to blend more than two images you can also do the same technique. So let's get started. We need to open Canva and we need to log in also in Canva. Once we logged in Canva, then we need to choose the size of the image or we want to blend. So I'm going to create a blank template by clicking here, and I'm using the YouTube thumbnail template, but you can use any other custom size also. Now we need to upload both the images in Canva, so I'm going to click upload button and then I'm going to drag those two images inside the upload portion, so the images will be uploaded shortly. And now we need to insert these two images into two different pages. So I created another page and I'm decreasing the size so that I can easily see. So this is the first image and this is the second image. We inserted two images in two different pages, and now I'm going to adjust the size of the images how we want to see on the page. So I'm going to increase the size of the images based on my own requirement or own choice. You will do the same way. Now we need to find a gradient, so we are going to find white gradient by searching, and here we are seeing there are different types of gradient is there, and this is the only option I see is free. Rest of them we just need the premium membership version. So I just clicked on gradient, the free one, and then I'm inserting it in such a way so that the whitish like the whitish part will be on the left side of this image, because right side is the actual rose. We want to blend this rose and the tulip like this way. So this side is whitish, so I'm putting the whitish side uh, out, just the opposite of rose, and then we just need to copy this thing, and then we need to paste it for the second picture also, and we need to rotate this thing so that the whitish part it should be outside. Here I copied the gradient only one time, but if you want more blend, basically more whitish, then you can copy this part like 2-3 times, but for this tutorial one time is fine. Now we just need to download both of these things. I just clicked on share, and then from here we have to choose download, and then we have to choose the image size and image type, and then finally we just need to click on save to download both the images. Once I click save, then both of the images will be downloaded shortly. Now once the download is completed, we need to access this thing and we need to extract this folder. By default it is downloading as a zip file, as there is multiple pages are there. Now again we need to upload these two images inside the Canva upload. So I'm going to open Canva again, and then I'm going to choose the upload option, and then here we just need to drag these two images over there, and I see the top two images are the images which we just downloaded. Now come back to Canva again and create a new page, and then we just need to drag both of the images on the same template. So I'm going to put it, and then I'm going to the other one on top of this, and all of this will be on the same page. Now here we have to select this image, and then we have to change the transparency. Then I'm making 50 so that it is visible both of the images, and then I'm going to resize or reposition of the images based on our own need or our need. So here I am fine for this time being, like the rose is much bigger and the tulips are much smaller like that, and I think it's good. Then we can also check whether the border is cropped or not. So I saw the border is cropped, that's why I resized it, and now we are seeing like this. Now we need to blend it, right? So we have to go to the edit image, the properties, and then we have to click on adjust, and from here we'll find different options are there. If we go down this page, we'll see there is contrast. We just need to increase the 100%, and there is other settings also. I'm again going to adjust, and then the temperature actually we can put based on our own need, and then if we scroll down we'll find a saturation. We can make it highest or smallest, or medium based on our own need. So this is fine for my case. And that's it guys. Now we can download this image and then we can use it as our own need. So in this way, this is which is basically very simple way we can actually blend two multiple images together like the same way. And here I see I downloaded, I'm trying to download, and finally it will able to download. I'm going to click download and then it is going to download the template, and this template we can use as our own need. That's it guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question or problem, please don't hesitate to put in the comment section. Thank you again for watching the video.